Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to increase font size in WhatsApp application. It's very simple tips and tricks. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So simply open WhatsApp and just look at this. My font size is very small here in hello, but I want to increase the font size in my iPhone. So simply I go with my setting, then accessibility. Inside the accessibility, third number options are display and text size. Simply display and text size. Here large text, bold text, select here in the bold text, each and every text going to the bold and the large text. So accordingly you can increase this particular text size like this. So we go with like as a third option, and then we can type here text, like look at this. So always my text type here in the bold character, and then going to the size, increase the size. It's very simple process to do in iPhone, and accordingly you can change the text size, font size here. You can do this process and increase your text size of WhatsApp or other text data.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.